In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag on PC. But anyways, getting into it, PC lag is frequently tied to the Windows updates, which introduce bug effects that affect Microsoft Store and cloud-based file syncing. So what you want to do is the quick wins update. So apps that launch when you turn on the computer are the number one cause of slow boot times and general lag, whether you're gaming or doing anything else. So what you want to do is go to search and then type in task manager like so, and when it opens, it's going to look something like this. Go to startup apps over here. If anything is enabled that you don't think you need, that to turn on whenever you turn your PC, go ahead and right click it and then go ahead and click disable right here, and it's going to show you whether what's going to be disabled and enabled. If you're not sure what something is, I would recommend changing anything that's officially from Windows, like security, health, system tray exe, or anything like that. I would recommend turning that off by default. What you could also do is recent Windows updates have caused a Microsoft Store licensing bug that can freeze system apps. So what you can do is restore the store cache. So what you got to do is go out of that, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard, and then type in ws reset.exe and then hit enter, and then the store is automatically going to open once you do that, but it basically just refreshes everything. And if your PC feels heavy or slow in games, then Windows built-in security layers might be overtaxing your CPU. So what you want to do is disable memory integrity. So we can go over to settings, and I'm going to right click this and then go over to my settings right here and just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you're going to see a lot of options. But what we want to do is go over to privacy and security and then go to Windows security at the very top. And then all you want to do is go over to device security. And then from there, you're going to see core isolation. And we just want to turn off memory integrity. If you can't find it, just type in memory integrity right here. And you're going to see core isolation as one of the options. So just make sure that it is, disabled, and just like mine is right here. And that's going to help, and it's also going to boost your FPS as well. And what you can also do is hardware GPU scheduling. So what I type in is GPU scheduling, like so. When I start typing it in, I'm going to see graphics settings as one of the options. So I want to optimize for windowed games. You basically want to turn that on, and then basically you can scroll through if you're having any specific issues with a certain game, like let's say Fortnite, for example, where it says GPU preference, switch it for high performance, and that's going to be a big thing for you. And yeah, it's as simple as that.